In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect AutoCAD drawing. If you need to share a DWG file, but want to control who can open it, a simple and reliable solution is to place the drawing inside an encrypted archive. We'll use a free tool like 7-Zip or WinRare for this. You're not changing your drawing itself. You're creating a secure, password-protected package that only opens with the password you set. Start by opening your File Explorer and navigating to the folder that contains your .dwg file. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct drawing and that you're working on the final version you want to protect. Knowing the exact location helps you find the secured archive easily afterward. Next, right-click the DWG file. In the context menu, choose the 7-Zip or WinRare option, then select the choice that says Add to Archive or Create Archive. The wording may vary slightly depending on the tool and version, but you're looking for the standard archive creation window. In the archive window, find the password or encryption section and choose Set Password. Type a strong password, ideally a longer passphrase that mixes words, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal details or common phrases. If the software asks you to confirm the password, enter it again carefully to prevent typos. Many tools default to strong encryption, such as AES-256. If you see that indicated, it's a good sign that the contents will be properly protected. Once your password is entered, click OK to finalize the archive. The software will create a new file, typically with a zip, .7z, or .rar extension, right next to your original drawing. That new archive is the protected version. Anyone who tries to open or extract it will be prompted for the password before they can access the DWG inside. A quick note on compatibility: zip-by-zip archives are widely supported and easy for recipients to open without extra software. Formats like 7Z or RAR can offer better compression, but may require the same tool to extract. Choose the format that best fits how your collaborators will open the file. Keep your password safe. If it's lost, there's no built-in recovery, and the contents will remain inaccessible. Also remember, your original DWG file is unchanged and not password protected. The security applies to the archive only. When you share the drawing, send the archive file and provide the password through a different, trusted channel. And that's all. With just a few clicks, you've securely wrapped your AutoCAD drawing in a password-protected archive.